Hi, my name is Aditya Rastogi. I am in grade 4. I am a part of NimbleQ program for more than 2 years. At NimbleQ, I have learned coding, financial intelligence, and business acumen. I love being a NimbleQer as it makes my creative imagination pop out of my mind so that I can bring my imagination into real world by making apps and games, and it also helps me in thinking logically. It has also given me an opportunity to present my thought process in front of industry experts by participating in business idea hackathon, which helps me in developing entrepreneurial skills. By this way, my confidence level increases, and I was also a runner-up in that platform. Thank you NimbleQ and Jaipurya School for giving me the opportunity.